Yeah, this is. Yeah, but ours is newer, so we didn't need that much updates, you know.
That is true. No, if they haven't updated, it's for a reason. Their XP is hella active. They're always active and shit.
Yeah. It just failed, so it might fail again.
Nate said he had, like, bro, before he could flash this car, it took him 20 tries.
This HP was tweaking on me one day.
Yeah.
Nigga, I literally fucking flashed it and it was like, it bugged like twice and then it finally flashed. And then I turned on the car and it was stuck in third gear.
Yeah, it was bugging.
Like, I put it in drive and it was in drive 3. And it wouldn't like
Like
switch.
D with a times 3.
D3.
Damn, that's crazy.
Out of third
It
gear.
looks like it's going good now. Did you have it in diagnostic mode? Or did it go?
We should be sure now.
Wait, so what do I have?
How do you know how to do it and he doesn't know how to do
Do what?
it? What you just did.
Well, it's just settings you play around with. Like me personally, I didn't mess with the custom settings because my tuner, when your tuner tunes the car, he tunes it where he wants everything to be at. Your torque and all that. So only thing you really have to do is just put the car stage 3, put how you want the transmission to sound and shit,
Yeah, that makes sense.
and you're good.
That was fast as fuck.
What is?
You floor it full throttle when you brake boost?
Yeah.
Like, click all the way down type shit?
So you gotta. You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to learn how to break boost, but I don't have
All right, let's go. Let's go for a little spin. You're on E right now.
Yeah, it's cute.
All right, bro. Get the hell out. Let me drive, man. Let me show you.
Alright, just be careful because these tires are speeding slow.
I'll go behind. Let me get another one.
That's good, bro. Show you how it worked
That's the
before.
experienced driver.
I go 540 or this shit. I can't afford
It's a 40, man. Damn, bro. I'm not used to driving the coupe.
Oh, yeah, you see it did it. We have to reflash it.
No way.
See?
What the fuck?
Just stop. Just turn the car off.
Now it's in drive
yeah.
2.
I just realized
Yeah,
because my shit's always in one mode.
Yeah.
Like, bro,
What's up with the seatbelt thing?
oh, it like works sometimes. There's a thing to do to make it work, but I just have to like.
That's why I like. You could just pick up and everything goes to Sport Plus.
Well,
My
I don't
car?
I don't have settings for my sports plus yet.
Oh yeah, I got settings.
Like, you feel the wheels stiffen up the. Like,
Yeah,
I can't change it to be like comfortable.
yeah.
You can't like finger code that?
You could have. Oh shit! Oh shit! Got a race for you, little K5. Little K5 on smoke.
Shit, don't.
Shit's gaps, 4 deep.
Literally, bro.
Oh, let's go.
You know what you're driving, bro. Come on.
Let's go gap that shit, man.
Ink slipping, I'll take that shit home. I need a whip. No cap.
You hear him? He just
With a nice car
It's
too,
nice, bro. It's not bad.
he just beat a car.
A
What
car?
does he have to
Nah, he just beat a BMW. He got downpipes.
Was it a 2010 330i?
Nah, probably he beat a 535i.
He hasn't beat a build motor.
Hey, with the right mods, that could be fast. though.
440i.
Nah, that shit's a slow. I'm not worried about him.
You have your burbles off?
No, they're on. So like when you wanna brake boost, you basically have to like bring the car to where you want it, like 4,000, right?
Yeah.
And then you hold the brake, like hold it back, and then you floor it, and then.
Oh, you have to hold it hard. God damn. Oh yeah, that shit.
And then look, never like if you're about to, you saw what I did to break the power.
Yeah.
I just fucking upshifted, never downshift to try to slow down. You know what I mean? Like once you're already going fast, just up. Yeah, just upshift to get out the boost. You know what I mean? But yeah, this shit dirt slow. This shit's dirt slow, dog. This shit needs some work. This shit need port injection. This shit needs some milk, dog.
This car?
Let me see if I can dirty up the streets.
That's why I got that first gear, bro.
Yeah, it's way better though. You feel like it's not spinning. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're just going better. I never really. This is my first rear-wheel drive car I'm driving. How much power does this thing have?
Probably like the 500. Yeah.
It's pretty fun though. I feel like you're gonna like it more in the first gear because you could like go crazy.
That's what I be doing, bro. Did you see what I did today, bro?
Yo, fam, what car are you calling slow? This one?
This one? Yeah, this shit's pretty quick.
What car do you have?
I have the same thing, but a 5 Series, way bigger.
It's the same car as me, but like fully built turbo. Like, it's fast as fuck.
Bro, I did a badass.
I know, I seen that. That shit was sick. No, that shit's pretty good though. One day we could trade cars.
I want to do a lot of shit to this car, bro.
But my car is like, as soon as you hit the gas, you're like, ah! It
Do you
just,
spin at all?
no.
You gotta let me drive your car one time.
Yeah.
No spin?
It doesn't spin out, but it gets boring, like, you know what I mean?
That's why I like this shit, cause I switch out the wheels.
What about X-Delete?
Like on my other wheels, I don't spin.
Oh yeah, X-Delete, it works, but it works too well. So like, once you turn X-Delete on and you floor it, the car doesn't go nowhere. Like the car, like it doesn't act like.
Does it damage anything though?
I don't know. It's too new. Too new to find out. You know what I mean?
It's crazy.
You got anti-lag, right?
Yeah.
On?
Yeah. I
So
don't think I can turn it off.
no, you can't.
It's like in the custom too, cause I turned it off.
Oh shit! I see smoke for you, bro. Come on, bro.
Yo, fam, what's
How
your
are you
0 to
finding
60?
so many?
I don't know. Oh, I hate this
An
nigga.
eye of a hawk, bro.
I just don't like.
What y'all want? Y'all want smoke, brother? This shit's so ugly, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's the ugliest BMW. Record that shit. That nigga needs to unwrap that shit. That's just the ugliest BMW on the street right now. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No, that's an unwrap, bro. He's like fucking 40.
Yeah, he's like 80.
He's like 80.
That nigga like 80, bro. That shit's so fucking ugly. Don't. Yo, this 40 get active now. This ain't my So, today we're gonna be changing this hose that goes right here. Boom. And then also this coolant hose that broke, as you can see right here. Is that water coming out of there? But yeah, damn, the gasket even broke too. Damn, that's interesting. But yeah, there's one more screw on the side, so I didn't even have to replace the whole thing. I just needed to replace this and the top hose. This hose looks pretty good, so I might keep this as a spare. This looks way It could be the same shit. This one feels more quality, but could be lying. Alright, had to make sure we're recording. Oh, so yeah, let me just get this other side off. No, this shit's so. This is my actual first thing I'm doing for you guys on the Beamer. Can't find a hole. Right here. Okay. And the timing belt looks like it needs to be gonna be changed. Serpentine belt. Look like it wants to be changed too. These BMWs, man. If you don't keep up with the maintenance keeps up with you. Fuck, bro, I cannot grab that. Right now, out with the old, when the charge pipe broke, it hit this hose and caused these obstructions in the hose. I got scared, so I was like, you know what? Let's change this. Doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. And then this was obviously from the fucking other hose breaking, so let's take this one off too. Dang. So we got that shit going. But these clamps kind of feel a little soft. Yeah, 2.5.
They just weaker. They small, little 10s, bro. They not good.
Yeah.
They just some small little 10s. 10.
This nigga here. Alright guys. Got the new clamps, a little wider depth, racer clamps, so they should hold up a little better. If these don't hold up, we're gonna weld this shit. I don't like this damn coupler either. I think we're gonna have to get an extended coupler. Yeah, this was the main reason why we weren't making no boosts. So, gotta get back. I don't know. Yeah, that shit is rusty. Why you keep stopping, bitch? Where you going? Atlantic? Alright. This turbo, my turbo is too big for, I need to build a trans. It keeps slipping. My transmission is slipping hard. Like I can't even go past 130.
No way.
Like it slips, yeah. Like when it goes up to 130 really fast, but after 130, it doesn't like it.
Damn, that's not good.
Yeah, cause the turbo's too big. Huh? Yeah.